What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in downtown LA. I haven't been out in downtown LA for a minute. Got some secret shops. Let's go see what's up. Traffic is way crazy today. I don't know what that's about. I'll show you guys at the end of the video everything I had to go through just to get here. There's a Shiekh, there's a Foot Locker. All right, let's go. Starting with the Shiekh, Club Shiekh. They do have the music hella loud in here. Dang, and they got these. They got these, and then look right here, man. They got these first come first serve. That is insane. This is the first time I've looked at these. I'm about to go pick mine up, but this is dope. I hope you guys are following my shorts because I'm gonna throw it on shorts that hey, these are available first come first serve here. This is fire. Traffic is insane though. Traffic is insane, but yeah, I hope you guys follow my shorts because I will post that they have these first come first serve, and because I know a lot of people take L's. They weren't super hard to get, but it's not like they were easy, you know. But yeah, dude, these are denim, dude. I didn't notice that these were denim when I saw them on pictures and stuff. Okay, damn, Dunks and J's first come first serve, insane. I've come here a million times, but I like to show you guys every time. And there are also new viewers. This place is freaking dope. This has a really dope Jordan setup. They even got a picture of when Jordan, when he won the dunk contest. That's the crowd section of that picture, so that is fire. They also got a basketball hoop. They got a bunch of J's, grade school right there, men's right there, and then also men's right there as well. Is it worth going over all the J's? Because we've seen a ton of these. You got the utility ones, inside out lows for $120, gorge green ones. 13s right here, the French blue. I love it because I'll get a name wrong every once in a while and people go crazy in the comment section. I'm like, really? Is that big of a deal? Like, sometimes I say the wrong name. My bad, guys. Ginger 14s right here. The 6s, are these the South 6s? These are dope. Lucky green 2s, still got those here. Is that one lonely women's right there? Is that the only women's? That's not it. Do got the women's black cement gold. I forgot what that's called. But yeah. Marjar 3s, Marjar 5s. They do have a bunch of women's right there. Bunch of kids too. Pretty dope selection. Dude got some lows right here. Wasn't Jordan wearing these courtside one of the games recently? People were making a big deal about that. And then I still don't understand these. What the hell is these about? They're kind of like ones, but not really. I don't know. 110 for those. Dude got share of Team Jordans. Got the 6 rings. Oh, these aren't even the 6 rings. I thought they were 6 rings. My bad. The 2 trays. Those are some of the Team Jordans that they've been pushing a lot lately. And 6 rings on this side. Okay. Of course, I have been looking for the Mitchell & S stuff. Nothing on sale. Okay. Man, their selection's pretty nice. All the Air Moore Tempos right there. All kinds of Air Force Ones. That's just the lows. They got a couple highs, duck boots right there. These are the duck boots, right? I believe so. They got the stars on it and stuff. Oh wait, they still do have a few clearance items here. Got some Nike shirts, $30 off. I believe it is still 60% off. They didn't tell me that, but I'm pretty sure it is. Another Nike shirt, 25, double XL. Do got this, these are the Mitchell & S shirts right here, the Georgetown ones. Going for $35. It is a medium. I got, was it a medium, large, extra large? Medium, extra large. Got some Kawhi Leonard jerseys, going for $80. These are larges. And yeah, those are $80. I believe they're still 60% off. I'll ask them to verify. Got Jordan shorts, $35. All right, I think we're done. I hope you guys are checking out my shorts. I'm gonna create a short so I can let you guys know that they do got the J's here. All right, just uploaded that short. So make sure you guys check out my shorts. You know, like I'm trying to get you guys breaking info ASAP, and the shorts are starting to pick up, so I'm glad to see that. All right, let's go. Oh shoot, actually, yeah, let's go hit up Jumpman LA, and then we'll hit up the other store after. Yep, see, they filming a movie. Look, got the entire street blocked off. Okay, that's what I thought. I do got Jumpman LA. All right, let's go. Let's go see what J's they got. Man, I think it's gonna be dead in here. I haven't been here in a while, so those of you guys that are new, this is the store right here, the entire Jordan store. Got all the display stuff in the front, got all the J's on the back wall right there. They always have some interesting stuff right here. They got a bunch of PEs. Today, UCLA Jordan 7s right there. That's fire. Got some Westbrook 0.5 PEs. Okay. The Zion 2s. Definitely ain't seen those before because it's a PE, obviously. More UCLA gear since we are in LA. Okay, there's some Westbrook. What are those? The Take 2s? Is that what it is? My bad, that's a one take. The Take 2s are the New Balance. The one take right there. I think that's the one take. The 3rd gen, or the 4th gen, my bad, it's right there. Then some WNBA Jordan 37s. Okay. Up there section, that is all owned by Nike. So they have events there. Oh, they brought the basketball thing back. They did bring the basketball thing back. This is when Jordan, oh wait, no, I thought this was when he ran that dunk, but they changed it. They changed it to something else. Oh, okay. Then upstairs, they do have a basketball court upstairs as well. All right, let's look at the sneakers, see what they got. They got so many J's on the wall. They got a lot of the team J's right here. They do have the Flint 7s, the Astro Beat 7s. They got some lows, some 2s. They got some 2s here, go for $2. They got some 5s, and then these right here. And then, oh, they got the Cardinals, a couple 7s back there as well. And they got the rest of the retros here up top. They got the Soul. What is the Soul? What's that called? Is that the Soulfly Jordan 13s? This one you get it with a little bit extra dirt at no cost. But yeah, I didn't know that they had these here. I really wanted these. I went for these online that day too. These are fire, dude. These are fire. I did not know that they had this. That's what happens when you ain't been here in a while. That's what happens. $2. This is my size too, a size 10. God dang it. I just can't afford all these. But yeah, dude got these bad boys right here. Kind of UNC, but I don't know. I don't really consider that true UNC. Dude got the black taxis. Playoffs right here. I need to grab these eventually. Hopefully I can find it at the clearance store maybe. I don't know. But yeah, dude got, what is it, the Stealth 12s. Damn, that's the second time I've seen these in a week now. Got the Citrus 7s. Dude got, are these the Stealths? It's the exact same color scheme as that one. Yeah, Stealth 6s, I'm gonna call them that. Chrome 6s. Calling these the Easters? I think they're the Easter 5s. I'm just making stuff up now, I don't know. But yeah, the DJ Khaled's We The Best. 5s right here. This is a size 10. I have a feeling that's for the UNCs. I have a feeling that's for the UNC 5s. The 3s right here. Couple of 2s. And this one's dope, dude. This one is fire. I'm not gonna lie. These are fire. Nubuck upper. Got the suede along the midsole right there. These are fire, dude. These are dope. $225 because it is a premium. And I forgot who this is a collab with. Is it with the Cold Wall? I don't remember. But it is a collab with somebody. I forgot who it was. Does it say on the back? Yeah, I don't know. One of the French groups. 2s, Chicago 2s. Gorge 1s. Gorge green, that is. The Heritage ones right here. True blue still? Oh, haven't seen that in a while. Comforts. These go for $140. Multiple comforts. I don't even think I've seen this colorway. This is a pretty dope colorway. Really can't go wrong with gray and black. Another one of these. Then we get some more. These are the Zooms, right? These are Zooms right here. These comforts, or they Zooms? I don't know. The inside outs right there. And one mids. Another one right here. And then a plethora of mids, including the Space Jams right here. I think everybody likes those. Thought that they would have the Concord one. Lows, apparently not. This is where they have the performance stuff right here. Do got the Lucas. 6 different colorways? 7 different colorways. Holy cow. Okay. Got it in all red. The original OG colorway right here. Heard people have been picking these up at the clearance store for like $50, which is insane. I don't remember which colorway, but just heard that they've had them. $110. I've never seen this colorway right here. This is a really, really bright blue. Okay. Reminds me of like the OG PGs from way back when. And yeah, that's all the colorways right there, man. Never seen these Zions. The Zion 2s, I've never seen this colorway. This is dope. This is a dope colorway. These going for $120 or $125. Oh yeah, $120. Got this one right here. And then the black cement colorway right here. So that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Then they still do have stuff on sale here and there. I've bought a bunch of hoodies and stuff like that when they have them on sale. Was this the Armand pants? These are Armand pants? Believe so. Oh, I don't know. People are gonna roast me. It is what it is, dude. I don't know everything, dude. My bad. It is what it is. But yeah, man, they're on sale. The unfortunate thing is they don't really say the price on them. They just say, hey, it's on sale. That's a women's, normally $110, but it is on sale. But yeah, got some decent stuff. I don't like seeing the men's stuff. I think most of this is women's. Oh, they still got this here? They still got the Union? The Union ones? What the hell? Oh man, last time when these went on sale, they was hella cheap. $300 though. Holy shit, $300. I don't know. Sometimes when they have stuff on sale, it'll be down to freaking 70% off or something like that. So you can't find some crazy steals. Jordan Golf, $150 for those. Okay. I think that's about it though. All right, I thought my reservation was here. Apparently it's at 729. So let's go to that other Foot Locker. Let's go. Wait, before we leave, I did see that they do have We the Best merch. No, not everybody has this stuff right here. $60 for t-shirts. Y'all know that's way too pricey for me. But yeah, $90 for shorts right here. They got them in that color as well. Okay. Do got hoodies. This hoodie's dope. Oh, it's super thick, super premium. $150. Y'all know I'm paying no $150. Maybe if it goes on sale eventually. Guess I'm gonna have to check periodically. These are dope too. But maybe I wouldn't get it because, yeah, no, that's too much. Yeah, on the back, I'm definitely not getting those. All right, do got We the Best merch. All right, now we're done. Let's go. All right, last stop. Let's go. Let's get it. Do got a pretty legit Jordan section here, but compared to Jumpman LA, it's like nothing. So I feel bad even showing you guys. But yeah, they got Jordans here. They got J's here. Not too bad. Just saw this last few days ago for $30 at one spot. That means they only have a couple left. That's usually what that means. Dang it. Because I did say I would get these. I really like the material on them, man. But yeah, $40 here. Both of them were $30 at that other Foot Locker. Got a bunch of kangaroo feet. Have I seen this colorway? I don't know. Have I? I don't think they have any new ones out recently. So yeah, but they got 4 different colorways. Man, remember when those were even hard to find? Got the Air More Up Tempo section right there. Terra Escape version with Air Max 97s. Man, I still have a cough and it's still going. But yeah, do got these. I've never seen this colorway. Not a fan of that nylon material on the bottom. Not a fan of that. Okay. Air Max 90s. Never seen that version right here. It's not too shabby. Not too bad. A little hit of suede on it. Like that one right here. This one got a little bit more suede, but I think that colorway looks a little nicer. LeBrons, I thought they were 100 almost everywhere now. Damn, dude. Price is a little bit higher here. Is that because rent's higher? I don't know. There are certain Crocs that are $15. I picked up a couple of those for my kiddo and I think a friend of his. And then they do got Pumas on sale. That Minecraft one, we've seen that on sale at other places, so maybe they got theirs later. Do got the mellow colorway or the mellow version of the Puma suede. They call it the Galaxy, but it does have the mellow logo on it and everything. Then they do have Vans on sale. Do got some old schools right here. Old schools, man. Look at that, $30. That's not bad. This one right here, I'm a big fan of the material. Not a fan of the color. This one might be a compromise, but wait for that price to go down. So I like that colorway better. But yeah, the material is super nice. Was that Mace? Man, this song was dope. This song is dope. It still hits pretty hard. All right, I think I gotta go though. I think I gotta go. Damn, this is why fools don't like to come to downtown for sneakers. Man, traffic is insane. I think I was stuck in one intersection for like 15 minutes. And look at the other way. We got street closures. Man, this area sucks. So they're filming a movie, I think on Broadway, way the F over there. Oh my God, I'm all the way up on 1st Street near the courts. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna take like an hour to find parking. Holy crap. Oh my God. Finally found parking. Took 40 minutes with traffic and that type of stuff just to get here from the freeway. And then the credit card thing is busted, so I can't even put my credit card in. Fortunately, I do have a bunch of coins. It's $4 an hour, dude. $4 an hour, so I need at least six? I think, yeah, $6. Damn, dude, I think I have $6. And now I need to walk like 3-4 blocks. Yeah, man. A lot of work, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing all this junk, because yeah, it's a pain to go through LA, but I really need to pick up these 5s, because I'm hoping that helps me get the 3s next week. I don't know. We'll see. Do got some interesting first come first serve items here. Do got these dunks, denim dunks. Do got these bad boys, and then look at this. They got their shipment a little bit late, so they had to just do first come first serve. Couldn't do it on their app like they normally do. But yeah, first come first serve here, you guys. That is insane. This is the downtown LA location, but I believe most of them got him. But you know, they still got him here. Shiekh downtown LA.